We're now back. The Matooke is ready, as you can see. It's being taken out. It's too ready. This is the Matooke. Okay. This is the Matooke. Too ready.
As you can see.
Yes. Too red and it's too hot here. As you can see, that water is boiling. That's not... Is that ours?
There were 6.
Yeah. That one is too red. It was on the
hottest spot.
You can see this one. It was too red. It all got torn. So that's how hot it is here. And now we have 10 eggs that we left behind. Here the eggs, they are all red. They are broken, as you can see. Okay. These are 2. Okay. You can see these are very red, broken on the sides. Okay. So this is Sapphire Hot Springs. This is how hot the water is. Okay. This is like 20 minutes later. We left them and went to the female hot spring.